Namaste viewers, hearty welcome to Baluji English. Yesterday we discussed prefixes. Prefixes and forming new words with the help of prefixes. Prefix means a letter or a word joined before the word to create a new word. Today we are going to discuss suffixes. Suffixes means a letter or a word joined to the word after the word to form new words. For example, joy plus ful. Ful is the suffix joyful. So in this way, suffixes are used to form new words and new vocabularies. So this is a very integral part and very important bits. There is a possibility of asking questions in suffixes and prefixes. So today let's discuss about these suffixes. And before we discuss, my humble request, if you are watching first time Baluji English, please subscribe Baluji English. If you want to be a member in my channel, please press the join button and pay 119 rupees so that I can call you and you can call me and we can discuss the difficult concepts. So that is the option that we have, joining button in our channel. So let's not waste and let's go to the topic, and please don't skip the video. Watch the video till the end, and if it is really good, please share. If it is not good, give a dislike and comment. Give your feedback in the form of comment. Let's go to the topic. Today our topic, word formation. Suffixes. Suffix means a word joined after the another word. So ఒక word ఉంటుంది, ఆ word కు ఇంకొక word జాయిన్ చేస్తే న్యూ వర్డ్ వస్తుంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, starve plus tion, starvation. Explore plus tion, exploration. Organize plus tion, organization. సో ఇక్కడ షన్ అనేది సఫిక్స్ అన్నమాట. సఫిక్స్ అంటే వర్డ్ తర్వాత యాడ్ చేసినాం. రైట్ ప్లస్ ఐఎన్జి, రైట్ ప్లస్ ఐఎన్జి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్డ్ రైటింగ్. సో దిస్ ఇంగ్ ఈజ్ ద సఫిక్స్. సఫిక్స్ అంటే యాడెడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ ద వర్డ్. ప్రిఫిక్స్ అంటే యాడెడ్ బిఫోర్ ద వర్డ్. పదానికి ముందు గనక ఒక పదం యాడ్ చేస్తే దాన్ని ప్రిఫిక్స్ అంటాం. పదం తర్వాత ఇంకొక పదం యాడ్ చేస్తే దాన్ని సఫిక్స్ అంటాం అన్నమాట. సో ఇక్కడ స్టార్వ్ ప్లస్ షన్, స్టార్వేషన్. ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ ప్లస్ షన్, ఎక్స్ప్లోరేషన్. ఆర్గనైజ్ ప్లస్ షన్, ఆర్గనైజేషన్. సో హియర్ షన్ అనేది సఫిక్స్ అవుతుంది. దీని మీనింగ్ వచ్చేసి ప్రాసెస్ ఆర్ స్టేట్. రైట్ ప్లస్ ఈఆర్, రైటర్. డ్రైవ్ ప్లస్ ఈఆర్, డ్రైవర్. సో సఫిక్స్ ఇస్ ఈఆర్. Write, writer. Drive, driver. So person doing an activity. Paint, painter. Clean, cleaner. Sweep, sweeper. Like that. ER if you add, that is a person doing. ER is the suffix. Act plus OR, actor. Edit plus OR, editor. OR is the suffix. Person doing an activity. Lion plus ESS, lioness. Waiter plus ESS, waitress, waitress. So ESSS to make a female, lioness, waitress, headmistress. So like that, to make feminine or female gender, we add ESS. Brother plus hood, brotherhood. Child plus hood, childhood. Hood to talk about the stage of life in my childhood. So in that way, brotherhood or childhood. Eat plus ing, play plus ing. Ing for activity. Write plus ing, play plus ing, sing plus ing, drink plus ing. So to tell about activity, ing we add, that will be suffix ing. Buddhism, Buddha plus ism, Buddhism. Pavan plus ism, Pavanism. Ism means nothing but a belief or perception. So ism is the suffix here. Government, development. So ment is the suffix here. Ment means a process of something. Next, happy plus ness, weak plus ness. So here ness is the quality, happiness, weakness, strongness. Okay, so like that, ness is the quality of something. Pay plus e, payee. Employee plus e, employee. It is a status. Employee, it is a status of something, someone. Then next zoo plus ology, psycho plus ology, zoology, psychology. Ology means study, so ology is the suffix. Friend plus ship, leader plus ship. So ship to tell about the state of something or someone, that is called friendship or leadership. Ship is the suffix here. Elasticity, falsity, ity, it is about the quality, so suffix is ity. Comfort plus able, adjust plus able, so able, adjustable, comfortable, so it means can be done. In that condition we use able, so adjustable, comfortable, enjoyable, so like that. Able means can be done. ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్లలో able అనేది సఫిక్స్గా యూజ్ చేస్తాం. యాక్సిడెంట్ ప్లస్ ఏఎల్, డిపార్ట్మెంట్ ప్లస్ ఏఎల్, accidental, departmental. AL means related, departmental test, a test related to department, education department. Accidental. Wound plus ed, play plus ed means having done some work. Wounded or played, these are the works that have done, that a person have done. Scott plus ish, Turk plus ish, Scottish, Turkish, ish. Inhabitant, so inhabitant of some lands we call Scottish or Turkish. So Scottish people mean Scottish we call. ish ante adi suffix ga use chestam to talk about the inhabitants of some people. Attractive, attract plus ive, select plus ive. So here ive, it is to talk about the quality. Ive is the suffix. Attractive, selective. Independence, ence is about process. Independence, dependence, like that. Presidency, ency, presidency, ence or ency, they are the process. So ency are the suffixes. Care plus less, home plus less. Less is the suffix, means without. Careless, homeless. Childlike, brother like. So like means similar to or like, that is the meaning. Friend plus ly, mother plus ly. Friendly, motherly, it is about quality. Virtue plus us, ambitious, ambi plus s, ous, us. Virtuous, ambitious means having. Water plus proof, bullet plus proof means proof is a protected. Waterproof, bulletproof, waterproof dress or bulletproof jacket. So proof means protected. In that way we use this. So proof as a suffix. Backward, northward. Word means towards. సమీపంగా ఆ వేలో అనే విధంగా వస్తుంది అనమాట. బ్యాక్వర్డ్, నార్త్వర్డ్. వర్డ్ ఈజ్ ద టువర్డ్స్, మీన్స్ సమీపంగా అనే మీనింగ్లో ఈ వర్డ్ అనేది యూజ్ చేస్తాం. వెల్త్ ప్లస్ వై, హెల్త్ ప్లస్ వై. వెల్తీ, హెల్తీ. వై మీన్స్ characterized, so y is the suffix, a single letter word. Marry plus ag, marriage. Ag is the instance or some incident. Refuse plus al, refusal, incidents. Perform plus ance, performance. Ance is the suffix. Expect plus nce, expectancy, ance. So ance, ancy are the suffixes to talk about the process. Now just briefly let us discuss the suffixes that we have. tion, shen, to talk about the process or state. er, to talk about the person doing an activity. or, to talk about the person doing an activity. ess, to form female gender. hood, to talk about the stage of the person's life. ing, to talk about the activity that person or animal doing. ism, to talk about a belief or perception. meant, to talk about a process. ness, to talk about quality. ee, to talk about the status of the person. ology, to talk about the study. ship, to talk about the state. ity, to talk about the quality. able to talk about can be done, al to talk about related to, ed to talk about having done something, ish to talk about inhabitants, ive to talk about quality, ence ency to talk about some process, less to talk about without, like to talk about similarity or likeness, ly to talk about the quality, ous to talk about having done something or having some quality, proof to talk about the protection or protected, word to talk about towards or on the way, wealthy, y to talk about characteristics, age to talk about instance, al also, age and al to talk about instance of something, ance ancy to talk about process. So these are some of the suffixes. With the help of these suffixes we can make so many new words. So once again, just I'll repeat: shen, or, s, hood, ing, ism, meant, ness, e, ology, ship, t, able, l, ed, ish, u, ens, nc, less, like, li, us, proof, word, wike, age, al, ans, ansi. These are some of the suffixes that we use after the word to form new words. So please find out from your dictionary the n number of words you will get and try to practice them. And this is what we can learn. In this way we can learn many new vocabularies. So my dear friends, I hope I have done justice for your precious time. Hope you have got something from this. If it is really useful, please share to your near and dear ones in your contacts, and please promote Baluji English to do more and more videos. So for that I need your support. So that support can be seen in the form of likes or shares or comments. So thank you for supporting me and have a nice day. Thank you.